So one of the biggest challenges that I've experienced talking to sales and marketing leadership about what's going on with the process engineering sort of RevOps revolution here that I think is being enabled by tools like Clay is that folks have been doing the same thing roughly for 20 years. Buying too much SaaS software, hiring too many people, playing Lego math for 20 years. The idea that all of a sudden that you can take a sales program and a marketing program that may have 100 people in it and essentially condense that labor pool down to like 30 people and get the same amount of throughput, better and more consistent data, and ultimately better outputs is just bending people's minds. It's fascinating, but like as I've been talking, and I've been talking to folks at billion-dollar companies, at million-dollar companies, at startups, like I really have a pretty wide berth of who I've been talking to about this technology, is the fact that it really is breaking people's construct of like what a sales and marketing program is supposed to be. If you don't know very much about sales and marketing, it's hard to even explain it to you. If you're a CRO or a VP of sales and marketing, you get explained, you're sort of like, oh, this is just another piece of technology. This is really the beginning of the end of technology and labor sprawl. You are going to be able to build the same company that you have today with 100 people, but you'll have 10 people. Every function in your sales process that is digital can be now practically automated using what are effectively AI agents or no-code, low-code programming that you're building. And so as we've been building these workflow diagrams, as we've been building these process engineering flows for companies, it's dawned on me that what we're really doing is building software workflows. Like this is how a piece of software works. And what's fascinating is that's what we're doing. We're now building revenue machines, not sales and marketing programs. And it's like I'm selling fire insurance to folks whose houses are on fire, but they either can't smell the smoke because they've been living in it so long, or they just don't believe it's a problem. But the funny thing about Clay is that some of the most basic data operations applications of Clay are solving problems that every single company has. Everybody has outdated data. Everybody has workflows that are manual and don't make sense. Everyone has employees that are not taking actions when they should be taking actions, and everyone has reporting and sort of analysis challenges. All of those problems can be solved by integrating what is effectively this automation middleware inside of your sales and marketing program. I think the biggest challenge for people is going to be to take a step back, look at the forest through the trees, and then start reinventing how they go to market, how they run a sales and marketing function.